Morning students, we are studying the chapter the Iron Age civilization, in which we are studying about early Vedic period and later Vedic period. In the previous video we have studied about the social condition. In that we have studied about the Varna system, and we have studied about the various ashrams also. So students, today we will take up from occupation. So what kind of work they did for their livelihood to earn money. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people. So many people, or most of the people, were agriculturists at that time. They used plows which were pulled by oxen. So they used plows, old age plows जिसको बैल खींचा करते थे. During this period, people irrigated their fields with water from the wells, canals, and lakes. So, for irrigation, they did not only uh, dependent on the monsoon, but they used wells also, canals, and lakes. They grew wheat, barley, rice, beans, etc., and domesticated animals like cows, bulls, sheep, goats, and dogs. So the crops they grew, that was wheat, barley, rice, beans, right? And animals they domesticated: cow, bulls, sheep, goats, and dogs. The Aryans also introduced horses in India, which were brought from Central Asia. So horses came to India from Central Asia, and that was brought by Aryans. The discovery of iron had provided stronger tools like plows, sickle, shovel, spade, axes, saw, nails, and tongs. These are all tools. Discovery of iron. When the iron metal was discovered, the tools became more powerful and strong. These were the stronger tools that were made by iron, which helped in variety of other crafts like pottery, weaving, carpentry, jewelry making, etc. So these tools, besides helping in the agriculture, they helped in these crafts also. The Aryans were expert traders. So Aryans were good businessmen also. Trade was mainly carried on land. They used barter system. The cow was used as a standard of value. So trade on land only. They used to do trade, means only on land routes. And they used barter system. Barter system, suppose you want to buy something, so in return you are supposed to give things, not the money. Now religion. This, do you know, you will read by your own. So religion. The early Aryans worshipped many gods representing the forces of nature. So early Aryans, they worshipped. They worshipped many gods, and those gods were the forces of nature, natural forces. Indra was worshipped as the god of thunder. So Indra, the god of thunder. Vayu, the god of wind. Prithvi, the god of earth. Agni, the god of fire. And Surya, the sun god. So they used to worship these gods. These were the powers of nature. Milk, ghee, grains, and flesh were offered as a part of sacrifice at yajnas. So when they used to do yajna, when they used to do these things, they used to present milk, ghee, grain, flesh to their gods. The early Aryans did not build temples. So early Aryans, in early Vedic period, temples were not built. In the later Vedic period, the yajnas became very expensive, and the nature gods were replaced by new gods. So in the later Vedic period, अब नेचर गॉड्स की जगह दूसरे गॉड्स आ गए, और ये जो यज्ञ थे ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होने लग गए थे. ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, शिवा, रामा एंड कृष्णा. So now people started worshipping Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Rama and Krishna. अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड में किसको करते थे? इंद्र, वायु, पृथ्वी, अग्नि, सूर्य. लेटर वैदिक पीरियड ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, शिवा, रामा एंड कृष्णा. The later Vedic period saw the birth of Brahmanism and Hinduism. So later Vedic period में Brahmanism और Hinduism religion बने. The law code of Manu, do you know? जिसको हम मनुस्मृति भी कहते हैं। मनु धर्मशास्त्र वॉज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय मनु। इट इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट लॉ बुक फॉर दी हिंदूज। सो हिंदूज़ के लिए बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बुक है। नाउ व्हाट वर द अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ दैट टाइम? The Vedic literature shows light on the achievements of Aryan in the field of science. So from Vedic literature we come to know कि आर्यन साइंस में भी कितने अच्छे थे, उनकी क्या क्या अचीवमेंट्स थी, क्या उन्होंने अचीव किया था साइंस में। द आर्यंस न्यू द यूज़ ऑफ आयरन। सो वी ऑल नो दैट, क्योंकि अभी हमने यहाँ पे पढ़ा था, देखो यहाँ कि आयरन से ये चीज़ें बनाई जाती थी। दे यूज इट फॉर मेकिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर टूल्स एंड वेपन। सो आयरन को क्यों यूज़ करते थे? ताकि उनके जो टूल्स और वेपन्स हैं वो ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग बने। द एक्स हेल्प इन क्लियरिंग जंगल्स एंड स्प्रेडिंग एग्रीकल्चर। क्राफ्टमैन लाइक कारपेंटर, ब्लैक स्मिथ एंड टैनर्स वर एबल टू डेवलप देयर क्राफ्ट्स विद बेटर टूल्स। सो सभी को हेल्प मिल रही थी बेटर टूल्स से, ठीक है। आयरन वेपन्स लाइक स्पीयर हेड, स्वॉर्ड, शील्ड्स हेल्प्ड इन कॉन्करिंग न्यू टेरिटरीज। अब देखो वेपन्स, ये वेपन्स नई जगह पे कब्जा करने के भी काम आते थे। मैथमेटिक्स वॉज नोन एज गणित। सो एट दैट टाइम वी कॉल मैथमेटिक्स एट गणित। आज भी हिंदी में मैथमेटिक्स को हम गणित ही बोलते हैं। इट इंक्लूडेड arithmetic, geometry and algebra. So at that time also arithmetic was there, geometry was there and algebra was there. जैसे कि आप अब भी पढ़ोगे मैथ्स में ये सारी चीज़ें। The Vedic period had the knowledge of zero, which helped them to calculate large numbers. So at that time also they knew about zero. Zero भी था तब। देखो ज़ीरो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, राइट? अगर ज़ीरो नहीं होगा तो 10 भी नहीं बनेगा, 1000 भी नहीं बनेगा, राइट? So they were able to calculate large numbers. They also knew the decimal system, cube root, square root, under root, etc. So you know maths में भी देखो कितने ज़्यादा आगे थे वो लोग. Now astronomy the favorite subject of Aryans. अब astronomy क्या था? favorite subject था Aryans का, ठीक है। astronomy क्या होता है? ये जो heavenly bodies होती हैं ना, उनकी study करना। They studied the movements of heavenly bodies. They knew about the movement of the earth on its own axis around the sun and the movement of moon around the earth. देखो उनको ये सब पता था आर्यंस को, कितने पुराने टाइम की बात है। They knew that earth is moving on its own axis. They knew that earth is moving around the sun. They knew that moon is moving around the earth. The Aryans could foretell solar and lunar eclipse. सो वो सोलर एक्लिप्स और लूनर एक्लिप्स को भी कैलकुलेट कर लेते थे पहले ही। द वैदिक लिटरेचर प्रूव्स दैट द वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन वॉज क्वाइट एडवांस्ड। सो फ्रॉम द वैदिक लिटरेचर वी कम टू नो दैट जो वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा एडवांस्ड थी। द पीपल लेड अ हैप्पी एंड सिंपल लाइफ ऑफ पीपल वॉज हैप्पी एंड सिंपल। देयर क्लोथ्स वर मेड ऑफ कॉटन, वूल एंड स्किन्स ऑफ एनिमल्स। दे वोर ऑर्नामेंट्स ऑल्सो, तो ऑर्नामेंट्स भी पहनते थे वो। ऑर्नामेंट्स मीन्स ज्वेलरी। दे यूज्ड मधु and took sura and somras, that is alcohol. Okay, madhu means honey also. They played many musical instruments like flute, drums and harp. They were also fond of chariot racing, dancing, etc. So वो म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स भी बनाते थे। चैरियट रेसिंग क्या होती है? घोड़ा जिसके पीछे रथ होता है, वो वाली रेस भी उनको पसंद थी। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स कीवर्ड्स आपने अच्छे से समझ लेने हैं एंड रिवाइज द चैप्टर। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल, राइट? एंड द एक्सरसाइज वी विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल देन रिवाइज योर चैप्टर थॉरोली। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ नाइस डे।